At this point in my life, I realized that I was holding on to even these old pots and pans that's all scratched up. And I did not have room for the new, for those new blessings, for those new things that God has in store for me. I trust God and I believe God. Sometimes we hold on to things that no longer serve us, like these old pots and pans. Look at it, it's scratched up and worn out, and it can't handle the heat like it used to. But isn't that just like us with life? When God is trying to move us into something new, we often want to drag the old with us. Old habits, old mindsets, even old relationships. But the Bible says in Matthew chapter 9, verse 17, that neither do people pour new wine into old wineskins. And if they do, the skins will burst. The wine will run all out, and the wineskins will be ruined. So no, they pour new wine into new wineskins, and both are preserved. And just like God can't pour his new blessings into our own containers. We have to make room, letting go of what's broken, what's toxic, what's worn out, so that he can fill us with his best. Now, I know we were just talking about wine and wineskins, but the analogy that I want to point out to you is sometimes when it's time for you to move to your next level in life, when God is trying to move you to your new, you want to take some of the old stuff with you. Some of the old people, the old attitudes, your old mentality. You have to wipe the slate clean. And sometimes some of those old things that we've gotten used to, we feel like they work well for us. Sometimes they even cook the best for us. But don't you know we can get comfortable in our old stuff. And when God is saying, no, but I have something new for you. And you have to be able to let it go. So now here it is. I have a brand new cast iron pot. I have a whole new set. They all have lids. Some of these pots don't even have lids. I just kind of throw something on them. And sometimes a piece of aluminum foil. But I want to tell you today, it's time for you to move to your next. So what you did that. So what you had that. But are you ready to go to your next? That's something for you to think about. Have a blessed day. I finally did it. I finally mustered up enough strength to get rid of those old pots and pans. Now, and I have enough room for my new pots and pans, just like the blessings that God is getting ready to pour upon me and upon you. Get rid of that old stuff and get ready for the new.